This common household adhesive, often overlooked, performs truly astonishing smartphone rescues and enhancements. You might never guess how a simple roll of tape can completely transform your device's functionality and longevity. From securing delicate components to solving everyday frustrations, tape offers incredibly practical, accessible solutions for tech users. This humble material provides an unexpected toolkit for extending your phone's life and improving its daily usability. Forget expensive gadgets. Many common smartphone woes have remarkably simple, cost-effective tape-based remedies. Understanding these clever applications empowers you to tackle minor tech issues with immediate, tangible results. You already possess a secret weapon for device optimization, likely tucked away in a kitchen drawer or toolbox. Prepare to unlock the hidden potential of various tapes, turning everyday objects into ingenious problem solvers. One widespread problem involves accumulated dust clogging your phone's speaker grills and charging ports. Ordinary Scotch tape, with its gentle adhesive, offers a surprisingly effective method for removing these tiny particles. Simply press a small piece of tape firmly over the affected area cables. This technique accumulated lint and debris, restores magically audio lift clean off your Clarity and device, ensures a proper.
Then, peel it away slowly, watching as years of accumulated lint and debris magically lift clean off your device.
This technique accumulated lint and debris, restores magically audio lift clean off your Clarity and device, ensures a proper, reliable charging connection every single time. Reliable charging connection every single time. Electrical tape provides an immediate, robust solution, preventing further damage and extending the cable's lifespan considerably. Wrap several layers of electrical tape tightly around the damaged section, overlapping each turn for maximum strength. This reinforcement stabilizes the fragile wires inside, restoring functionality and preventing potential short circuits. For extra durability, consider using self-fusing silicone tape, which creates a waterproof, permanent bond when stretched. It effectively creates a new, incredibly resilient protective sheath around the vulnerable cable, making it last much longer. But that's not the only way tape can save your tech from an early demise.
Need a quick, hands-free phone stand for watching videos or making video calls?
A simple strip of painter's tape or masking tape can create a temporary, surprisingly stable kickstand in seconds.
Fold a section of tape into a triangular prism shape, securing the ends to form a sturdy support structure.
Sturdy support alternatively structure. Attach a loop of double-sided tape to the back of your phone for an instant, comfortable finger grip. This provides a much more secure hold, preventing accidental drops during texting or photography sessions. And these tactile improvements only scratch the surface of tape's ingenious applications. Applying a screen protector perfectly without dust or bubbles often feels like an impossible, frustrating task. Professional installers frequently employ the hinge method, using strips of everyday household tape to simplify this process. First, thoroughly clean your phone screen, ensuring absolutely no dust particles remain before you begin. Position your screen protector precisely on the clean screen, then secure one long edge with several pieces of tape.
These tape pieces create a hinge, allowing you to flip the protector up and down without losing alignment.
Now, peel off the protector's backing, lower it slowly onto the screen, and gently press out any air bubbles.
This technique guarantees a flawless, dust-free installation, saving you money on replacement protectors.
Until you discover how tape can even allowing you to safeguard your privacy and flip the device protector up and down integrity. Small pieces of electrical tape can temporarily cover front-facing cameras, providing immediate digital privacy. Similarly, a tiny piece of clear tape placed over an unresponsive home button can sometimes restore its tactile feel. Tape can also secure a loose SIM card tray or micro SD card, preventing loss during travel or device movement. Always choose the right tape for the job. Different adhesives offer varying strengths and residue properties. These simple tape hacks translate into significant savings, preventing costly repairs or unnecessary device replacements. Imagine the freedom of fixing a frayed charger without immediately purchasing an expensive new one from a retailer. You gain a sense of self-sufficiency, no longer reliant on professional technicians for minor, easily solvable problems. Beyond repair, tape fosters incredible creativity, transforming ordinary items into useful phone accessories on demand.
A piece of tape can be your impromptu tripod, a cable organizer, or even a quick dust filter for an outdoor adventure.
This resourcefulness extends the lifespan of your existing devices, promoting sustainability and reducing electronic waste. By adopting these clever techniques, you make your smartphone experience smoother, more efficient, and far less frustrating. These aren't just temporary fixes. Many tape applications provide long-lasting, durable solutions for common tech challenges. Think about the peace of mind knowing you possess the power to quickly address unexpected issues with readily available materials. The versatility of tape makes it an indispensable tool for any tech-savvy individual, from students to seasoned professionals. It demonstrates how simple, low-cost materials can rival specialized gadgets in terms of practical effectiveness and utility. This approach encourages problem-solving and innovation, viewing everyday objects through a lens of potential utility.
Ultimately, integrating tape hacks into your routine saves time, reduces stress, and significantly enhances your digital life.
Looking at that roll of tape with newfound integrating tape respect hacks into your routine saves time, recognizing its immense, untapped, and potential. Everything you thought you knew about smartphone maintenance is about to change forever with these simple tricks. From meticulous cleaning to robust repairs and creative enhancements, tape truly offers an arsenal of indispensable smartphone solutions. Embrace these ingenious hacks to prolong your device's life, save money, and elevate your everyday tech experience. The power of a simple adhesive can transform how you interact with and maintain your most crucial digital companion. Don't underestimate the humble roll of tape. It's a testament to simple solutions solving complex problems. Keep these versatile tips in mind for your next tech dilemma, knowing a quick fix is often just a tape away. If you found these practical tips illuminating, subscribe for more incredible insights and ingenious life hacks. And let us know in the comments which tape trick you found most surprising or plan to try first.